Flannel Guy here, and what I'm showing you is my kitchen. We're going to be doing a full kitchen remodel here. Full disclosure, I will not be doing it all myself, unfortunately, with a full work schedule. I'm just, it'd probably take me 3 or 4 weeks to do it all, but so I'm going to be doing some of it with a contractor doing the remainder. I want to take you through the process step by step so you can see how to do it and let you know what we're doing here. First thing is this older colonial style wallpaper is coming off. We're going to be pulling out all these cabinets, counters, the floor. This hardwood's coming up. We're going to replace this with a wood look ceramic tile and new backsplash. We're going to change all the lighting. This light fan combo is going to come out, and we're going to put more recessed hi-hats and change where these are now. So all stainless steel appliances, most likely granite countertops. We're almost finished picking that out. Over here you see a doorway to the laundry. We're going to put a pocket door in here to the right on this side, because we have another this is a full pantry here. We'll still have one. There'll be another pantry on the left side through into the laundry, and rather than have to open and close a door to get into it, we're going to do a pocket door there. We will not have a microwave over the stove. The microwave is going to be over here on the right hand side over this counter, and it's pretty close to the peninsula, which is very convenient, so that's what we're going to do there. Undermount sink, stainless steel as well, and going to figure out what I'm going to do with under counter lighting. Under cabinet lighting, but we're going to have some lighting underneath as well. Just have to find the right one. There are a lot of options there. That's the process here. That's what we're going to do, and I'll take you through it step by step as this project moves along. We're going to take the wallpaper off now. So yes, the wallpaper's down, but now you also see that we've gutted the entire kitchen. Cabinets, counters, hardwood floor is up, and you can really see the bones of this place. You've got all the electrical exposed. The sheetrock behind the original backsplash was just cut out. It's easier to deal with it that way than trying to peel the tiles off. Just cut it out and just replace it. And it also allows you room to run wires, which we're going to have to do because we're changing some of this electrical configuration. We're also running wires for under cabinet lighting. Here is where the pocket door is going to get installed to eventually eliminate the need for this door here going into the laundry. And you can see the vent for the range hood. This is a smaller one that we're going to have to upgrade to a 6-inch, so that's going to be changed. Another day's worth of work here. The electrical's done. The new hi-hats for the lights are in. The wires are coming in here for the microwave and for the under cabinet lighting. That's all done. The pocket door, the kit, the jam is in. And just waiting for the actual door itself. That's all new, and a lot accomplished today. And tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more electrical, a little bit more spackling, and then the tile's going to go in. So a lot accomplished in just 2 days here. So now the floor is in. And it's looking really good. You can see I've got drop cloths here for spackling and painting, but the floor looks great. We just got to finish some grout on this side and the saddle over here, vent cover. But we're really happy with how this came out. And basically what we got to do right now is paint the ceiling and the walls, and the cabinets get installed on the next day. The painting is finished as far as the walls and the ceiling are concerned. I've got 2 coats on the ceiling and 2 coats on the walls where the walls will be exposed. So where you don't see paint, it's going to be covered up with cabinets. You'll see that I did not go to the very top in the corner there with either the ceiling paint or the wall paint. It's because we're going to be installing this crown molding. It's going to more than cover it. The crown's going to go all the way around and wrap around the cabinets. So what's left to paint? I've got to paint all the trim before we put trim on here. I've got to paint the door, and I'll probably have to paint the pocket door that's going in as well. One day later, the cabinets are installed, with the exception of a few of the doors, and we also have some doors that are going to go up around, decorative doors around the peninsula here on the ends of the various cabinets. We're going to put, some decorative doors there as well. You can see that the appliances are here. The refrigerator's in. We already have some things in there. We just need to, pull the protective plastic off. The range hood's in, and we talked about adding the wider or larger vent. This is a 6-inch vent versus the 3-inch we had on the other one. The pocket door is now in. Works great. We just have to install the hardware. And I just want to take you through a couple of issues that we had in the workaround. So we've got the dishwasher here, and the sink is going to be there, and the supply and the waste lines, it was a challenge trying to figure out what we were going to do with that. So as you can see, we had to route that through this back of this cabinet, around this one, through here, back around, through the back of that cabinet, and then to the sink. So we had to get 2 lengths of both supply and waste. Now another unforeseen situation is this. You can see the gas line coming out here, and it comes out what looks to be about 1.5 feet above the floor, but the oven cannot accommodate the gas line coming out of the wall there. So what we're going to have to do is move the gas line down and have it come out closer to the floor. So that's going to be done in a couple of days, I think, and once we can do that, we'll be able to slide the stove in. The other piece of progress we have is that the granite fabricator was here yesterday and did the template for the granite, and so the next thing that we need to do is go to the fabricator's warehouse, and we lay the template up against the granite and decide exactly where on the slab we want the piece cut out.
I use this spackling paste to tighten up the joints. You can see, it almost looks flawless, and you can't see any of the joints. And then repaint it over that again, and it's, I hate to say it like this, but it's almost perfect right here. And then after that, you follow up with caulk between the ceiling and the crown molding, and you can see how these joints look all the way around. And now the backsplash is done. We went with the subway tiles, 12-inch subway tiles. Felt like that provided the look we wanted here, and a little bit of a design behind the stove. And with the under cabinet lighting really helps to illuminate it. I know it's daytime right now, but I'm linking below to the under cabinet lighting video that I've done, and you'll be able to, I'll take you through that whole process. It really was a process, but in any case, we really do love the backsplash tile, and it matches the color theme. You know, when you look at the paint on the walls too, it's exactly what we're going for. So subway tile, a little bit of gray, pulling some of the colors from the granite, just providing you with a little bit of a wider view. The finished product here, we've got the microwave built in, and a little side counter here where we're going to have a toaster oven, USB charging station, all of our spices here in this cool little pull out, and refrigerator, pantry, pocket sliding door going into the laundry, and all the appliances matching the Frigidaire Professional, including the dishwasher. And that's it. Hopefully this process helped you, getting ideas for yourself. I didn't do this whole project myself. I had a contractor helping with a lot of it. Some of it I did. But, the biggest part of this is the planning process, which everyone's going to have to get involved with regardless as to whether you do this yourself or not. So hopefully this helped. Like I said, if it did, hit that like and subscribe button and look for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.